Hi, my name's Ryan Dennis. I'm the author of the memoir Barn Gothic, Three Generations and the Death of the Family Dairy Farm. I grew up on a dairy farm in the 90s um, when the American dairy industry was experiencing particular changes. It was getting much harder for family farms to stay viable. And to me, there was two particularly heinous aspects of that period. One was and no one seemed to be writing about what people like my family, our neighbors, or other families, farmers, were going through. And so these people couldn't see themselves reflected back in what they read and felt like their voices were being heard. And the second thing was, um, among the farmers themselves, no one seemed to really know the particular machinations that led to these low prices or the particular specific reasons why the milk price was too low compared to costs. And so I hope this book, Barn Gothic, addresses both needs. I hope that by sharing our family's personal narrative, that those with farming experiences can feel like their voice is being heard and can see themselves in the pages. I hope that those who did not grow up in the farm can also see why there's something very real at stake when family farms go out of business, both for rural communities, for all of us as consumers, and for the way we understand ourselves as a society. And I hope for the first time that specific decisions that led to these conditions that ultimately caused 40,000 dairy farms to go out of business in the first 2 decades of the 21st century, that these specific decisions and policies can be pinned down for the first time. Because if there's one thing I would like a reader to get from this book is that the loss of the family dairy farm in the United States was not inevitable. It was not the symptom of modernity or the result of better technology or bigger machines or that we need to feed the world or anything like that. Instead, it was a result of privileging cheap food over environmental concerns, over and the health of rural communities, and over the lifestyles of the people who produce that food. So, Barn Gothic is available in any local bookstore, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.